don't align. We see the same horizon, a flicker in the distance blue. But when I try to reach it, I find I'm walking right past you. It's a rhythm we can't break, a symmetry that's flawed. We keep time to the same beat, but listen to a different God. We're moving fast together, a shadow and a solid form. And the closer we get, the clearer the coming storm. We're running on parallel tracks, heading for the same unknown destination. We mirror every turn, every move, a perfect tragic imitation. We share the sound of the engine roar, the rush of wind across the pane. But we'll never touch the same rail, never stand in the same rain. You see logic in the numbers, I see meaning in the fall of night. We analyze the silence, but we argue over black and white. We built a shared history out of fragments and a hopeful stare. But I wake up in the morning and your signal isn't there. Oh, it's a rhythm we can't break, a symmetry that's flawed. We keep time to the same beat, but listen to a different God. We're moving fast together, a shadow and a solid form. And the closer we get, the clearer the coming storm. We're running on parallel tracks, heading for the same unknown destination. We mirror every turn, every move, a perfect tragic imitation. We share the sound of the engine roar, the rush of wind across the pane. But we'll never touch the same rail, never stand in the same rain. I try to cross the median just to feel the heat you shed, but the physics of this feeling keep my spirits tethered instead. We could drive forever like this, two lines drawn across the globe, forever close enough to hear, too far to ever the sound of the engine roar, the rush of wind